Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C15 and today I'll show you how to record screen on the device. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and tap on this square next to the settings. And from here find the screen recording toggle, which is for me right here on the second page. You want to grab it and drag it over. From there, go back and you can see that it should be right here now. So from here, hold the toggle and this will take us to the settings where we can customize how it works. So number one, we have the sound, record sound or system sound, and record microphone. Now on here, it allows us to actually select both of them, which is really nice. Although I would advise you to use this with headphones only. Otherwise, you will probably be recording the system sound through the microphone, which is probably not what you want. It will create an echoey sounding. So below that we have the display, which will include a couple of presets. As you can see, high, medium and low, and then also custom, where you can max out everything, as you can see. Now there's some kind of weird stuff going on with the resolution, because if you drop it, the size of the video doesn't go down, which is not really how resolution should work. But megabits per second will change the size of the file. And what it says right here, 5 minutes of video will be about 600 megabytes. It seems to be fairly accurate. I have tested it before and it is fairly close to it, give or take 20 megabits or so, or megabytes. And when it comes down to the quality, I would advise on going for the highest 1080p along with 16 megabits. It will create a cleanest image that you can possibly get on this device. And apart from that, once you set those up, we can go back, and also, for instance, you have option for front camera, which will use the selfie cam to record, well, let's say your face. And below that we have the screen tabs, which will include whatever you're pressing on the display and dragging your finger. It will show that on the recording as well. And from there, once you have set everything up here, we can just leave it and simply tap on the toggle. Let's agree. Now it will ask us for access to a bunch of different things, so we just need to allow everything. Now, because I did want basically everything, it requires storage, microphone access, camera access, and all that stuff. Now this is completely different, so there we go. So as you've seen, there was also a little quick guide there associated with this little toggles right here. So as you can see, you have at the top, the red one is the record / stop. Then we have settings and then simply close. So let's start recording and you will immediately see, or should see my face, there it is. So now you can move that around if you want, as you can see. And whatever I will do will be recorded, and you can also see that finger little circle that is following my finger. That is basically where I'm pressing on the display. And once you're done, you can tap on here, and you can also pause it if you want to. This will pause the video, and you can open up some kind of app and resume it from there. And you can also just simply close it by tapping on the square now. And the video that you have captured will be in your photo gallery, so let's open that up. I'm gonna mute it so I don't hear myself. And there we go. As you can see, this is the recording. So that is how you record a screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.